The concept EQT Marco Polo is based on the long wheelbase EQT variant. The near-production concept vehicle provides a first glimpse of the new, all-electric and fully fledged micro camper with the Star, which is currently still in development. The equipment of the concept EQT Marco Polo includes a pop-up roof with a roof bed. Thanks to a scissor design, the pop-up roof can be raised easily with a slight angle of inclination to the vehicle roof. This means that the concept EQT Marco Polo offers enough space in the rear to stand upright. In addition, the pop-up roof can be opened all around or in window form with a zip on the rear for that typical camping sense of freedom. The roof bed has a sleeping area that measures 1.97 meters by 0.97 meters. A point elastic disc spring system, among other things, ensures a high level of sleeping comfort. All furniture units in the interior can be removed easily by 2 people in less than 5 minutes. This means that the all-electric micro camper van can also be used as an everyday vehicle if required. With its height of less than 2 meters, it can also easily enter all conventional garages, multi-story car parks and car washes in the future. The furniture of the concept EQT Marco Polo is not only functional, but also fits seamlessly into the high-quality interior of the new EQT. The design, for example, takes up the seating concept of the electric small van. Like the seats, the kitchen, bench and bedroom elements are also done in Artico microcut. The paneling of the furniture fronts, meanwhile, is finished in Avola cherry wood by way of contrast. Ambient lighting in the joint areas creates the right atmosphere. There is also a dark roof liner and LED lighting in the upper bed area. In total, the vehicle covers 7 USB ports, one of them being in the pop-up roof area and 2 in the living area of the micro camper van. The future long wheelbase version of the EQT, which has been used as the basis for the concept car, is painted in chromite gray metallic with contrasting elements in black gloss. These include the black painted chrome trim at the front and rear and the special 19-inch diamond cut wheels. The beige color tone of the pop-up roof can be found in other elements of the vehicle, like for example the sun sail. Reddish accents on the boot and rim, among other things, bring color into play. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share,